Hello, good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Fine, ma'am.
What's about you, ma'am?
Excited for Reals IELTS Speaking Part 1 full mock test.
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Before we start, जल्दी से क्विक चेक करते हैं आपका एनर्जी लेवल कैसा है अगर मैं 1 to 10 में रेट करूँ तो
Hi, sir.
यू हैव टू टाइप.
Hi, ma'am.
10 or 10, ma'am.
Very nice. What about others? Salman 11. Nice. I want that in answers.
मैम 10 से 11 कैसे हो जाएगा मुझे ये नहीं समझ आई।
That is what I am asking to Salman. 11 है ना? We will see.
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Okay, so you all are confident today? You all can
Definitely.
speak fluently and
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all will
Definitely.
improve today. One extra for extra efforts. Yes, that's good. That's nice. Energy level high होना भी चाहिए when it comes to speaking. Okay? तो आज के सेशन का simple goal. You all will be able to speak for your part 1 at least 3 sentences. We will focus on improving the fluency and natural flow. Avoid करेंगे basic mistakes. We will learn how to extend our answers. And we will also experience the real examination का pressure. ठीक है? तो confident English चाहिए आज. कोई pauses नहीं. कोई hesitation नहीं. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक किसी को कोई डाउट कोई क्वेरी है तो जल्दी से क्लियर करो.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Ma'am, I have a question.
How are you, ma'am?
आई एम गुड. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग मंजोत.
Ma'am, I want to book my slot
Mm-hmm.
one by one, but it's see like you take your test in reservations like that showing down.
And so you have to book a slot na, time duration will be there. You are talking
Yes, ma'am,
about
but
IELTS or test with baby goat?
test with baby code, ma'am. Basically, when I booked that, the
Don't
reservations
waste my
are
time.
on the screens, but not really to book. Like payment is not paid yet.
Payment is not done yet. Wait, let me check. When did you try this?
Ma'am, yesterday
Okay,
or Monday.
just give me 1 minute. अभी तो I can't see that you have booked.
Ma'am, basically payment is not paid. The reservations are showed on the. Can I share my screen, ma'am?
Yes, please, definitely. Try once. Apart from this, anyone facing any issues, any difficulties?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone have a look at how you can book your speaking test with us. Go to the shop section, speaking interview with the teacher. Yes. 12:30 Monday. Okay. It got stuck. I'm only able to see your screen, speaking interview with the teacher.
I think the net is not working.
Yes, Mohammed. We were
Ma'am,
only
like
able to
that show.
see the last screen of shop section speaking interview with the teacher.
Ma'am, basically shows like that when I book, try to book.
So just
Starting.
try from the web browser. Instead of doing it from the
Okay.
application, एक बार browser में check करो. ठीक है?
Okay.
If it doesn't
Okay, I'll
work,
try.
then let me know. By the end of the session, I'll talk to the team. Why is it happening? ठीक है? Okay. Apart from this, किसी को कोई भी problem है, कोई query है? Yes, please. No? Okay, then let's start with a mock test. Okay, quickly. The first one on my screen is Mohammed, only you are on the first one. So question for you is, I'm going to ask two questions to each one of you. ठीक है? And questions will not repeat. Like any other student will not answer the same question. So everybody will be having the different questions. Clear? One
Yes, ma'am.
question you have to answer at least
Okay,
3
ma'am.
sentences. At least 3. You can speak 4, that's up to you, but you need to answer the required task. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am,
remember,
I'll try.
हम answer कैसे
Yes,
देंगे?
ma'am.
We will extend our answer. We will do not stop suddenly. Just continue your idea. Remember one thing, grammar mistake है, but confidence अगर अच्छा चल रहा है ना, keep it going. अगर आपने सेल्फ करेक्शन भी किया तो वो शो नहीं होना चाहिए if you keep going. Right? Okay. So question for you is, do you have many friends?
Yes, definitely. I have lots of friends in my childhood. Now I try to build friendship with those people who have enough spirit for doing something like they are too much great to have that skill to achieve their desired destinations. I also try to keep those friends which help me and sportive one in my life. One of most favorable person in my life is Gulsher, who support me in every sport of my life.
And which nahi aayega, Mohammed? Who helped me? Okay?
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. Yes. So next question for you is, how often do you meet your friends?
To be honest, not really. I usually meet my friend when I needed to sport, and I try to communicate my things which are difficult for myself. So I go there and try to discuss and find out the resolutions for that.
Okay. So I want to give your feedback on this. How often do you meet your friends? You can just talk about once in a week, twice a week, or on the weekends, right? As I'm quite busy or whenever I need them. So mention the time duration also. कि आप कब मिलते हो अपने friends से. Okay, next one is Salman. Everyone, please mute yourself, Mamta. Salman, are you ready? Okay, next, Mamta. Yes, Manjot. Please start. I'm taking yours
Yes, ma'am.
first. As you have an appointment, you need to go. So, Manjot,
Yes, ma'am.
question for you is, do you like traveling?
Yes, being a hodophile person, I love to travel, and I love because I love to interact with different culture people, and I want to explore more and more.
Okay, थोड़े से pauses आ गए हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
And I told you already that it doesn't fit with the traveling part. ठीक है? So better you can
Okay.
talk about avid traveler, travel enthusiast. Talk about these words. Next question for
Okay.
you is, where do you like to travel?
I love to travel to hill station area because I really feel peaceful there. The environment there makes me feel very calm and comfortable. Last year, I traveled to Manali after my exam to relax myself.
That's great. Good. Next one, Anam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Question for you is, how often do you travel?
Mostly, I travels not many times. I must travels in a 1 year in a one time, and I go there, Murray Hills, and enjoy beautiful weather are there.
You remember what you spoke? Can you repeat
Yes, ma'am.
your answer again? You really remember what you spoke just now?
Sorry, ma'am.
आपको याद है आपने क्या बोला है अभी? क्या आप सेम आंसर रिपीट कर सकते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ, स्पीक अगेन.
I mostly travels through by car with my friends
क्या आपने
and
आंसर
enjoy.
दिया अभी?
जी
You do not know what you spoke, right? You said in the beginning that I do not travel many times. Then you said you must go. How can you say must? And then you mentioned once in a month, and then you said beautifuls. बहुत सारी grammatical errors हैं इस आंसर में. Please plan your answer because you're not following the structure, इसलिए mistakes ज़्यादा हो रही हैं. Okay, next question for you. Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
No, I am a social butterfly and must love with my friends. And when I go outside, I must travel with my families and friends because they give me a full of they give me a full of entertainment.
I love with my friends. What? बीच में verb तो miss कर दिया. Then I love with my friends and family. Repeat कर दिया. They give me full of. Again repetition. I'm writing in my notes each and everything so that I can give you a detailed feedback. Please work on the grammar part, please. Okay. Next one is
Okay.
Mamta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Mamta. Question for you is, do you manage your time well?
According to me, I'm not able to manage my time because sometimes some works are due for my time management. But at the time, I'll try to able my time and learn how to manage it.
Mamta, sorry, I missed out. Some work are due to what you said.
Due to my time
Your voice
management.
is not clear. Why is it
Okay,
so?
ma'am.
Can you speak a
Okay, ma'am.
little loud? Like it's not audible properly.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm
Yes.
audible.
Yes, it's clear now.
Okay. Ma'am, some works is due, मैम वो कहते हैं ना कि मतलब
Pending.
some work
Still
pending.
live. Yes.
हाँ जी, pending because of my time management, but at the time I'm try to manage my time, and I also want that that all my chores are completed on the right time.
Mm-hmm. So that means you do not manage your time well.
No, ma'am.
Right?
No.
So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
try my best to manage my time effectively by setting
Okay.
the priorities and planning a day in advance. At the
Okay.
time, I'll try. Hesitation भी आ रहा है plus repetition भी है.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question for you.
Okay.
How do you organize your day? How do you organize your day?
Yeah. According to me, I'm not organized my day because my day is not organized because I'll do my work according to the need. Uh, because of my family members, this is not possible to organize my day.
No. How can you say this? Because of my family member, you cannot organize your day. Organizing a day means that making a list, what you're doing in the entire day, completing the task one by one. Even if you do your household work, whatever you're doing every day, you're talking about your kids, you're taking care of your family, that's basically organizing your day.
Okay.
Yes. Uh-huh.
मैम कैसे दूंगी इसका आंसर एक बार?
So you can say, I organize my day by making a to-do list. completing the task one by one. I usually plan my day in the morning, make a list of things I need to do. It helps me. हम लोग करते हैं ना planning, that at what time we'll be waking up, what time we'll be going for a walk, what time will be the breakfast, what time will be the work. So we usually
मैम मैंने
plan our day. Organize
Yes,
करना is like planning for the whole day.
मैम मैंने इसलिए नहीं बोला क्योंकि मैंने अभी मतलब ऊपर मैंने आंसर दिया था कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू मैनेज माय टाइम, तो फिर वो मैंने कहा कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट ना हो जाए कि
No,
हाँ
no,
जी
it's not like that. Manage karna time is a different thing. That means you do not devote time on the particular task.
यस
But
मैम
organize करना अपने दिन को talk about it. है ना कि आप अपने each day में एक specific time slot में ये काम करते हो.
ओके मैम
Got it. Next
थैंक
is Ikra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So question for you is it important to manage time?
Yes, it is very important to manage time because it help me different task complete. For example, I complete my task be on time. So that's why it is important.
Okay. So you started with it is important to manage time to complete different than a long pause. Task complete, right? Then you say
Okay,
you talk
ma'am.
about one statement to one time, and again that is why it is very important. क्यों
Okay, ma'am. इसको
important है?
repeat नहीं करना.
Why it is important to manage time so that we can complete our work on time. We can stay, it help us to stay organized. We can reduce our stress. Managing time is
Okay.
essential as it allows us to be more productive. We can maintain
Yes.
a balance between the work and the personal life.
Yes.
Okay, try to
Oh,
expand your ideas. Ideas are not expanded yet. So
okay,
please
ma'am.
expand. ठीक है? First or last statement is same.
Okay,
Ikra,
ma'am.
next question for you is, did you manage your time well as a child?
No, definitely, because when I was a child, I have no idea how to manage time because I waste my time as mostly with my friends. I play cricket and some other games. So
बहुत सारे वाले pauses आ रहे हैं. Definitely no, because well.
okay.
So you can say not really. As a child, I did not pay much attention to time management, and I often rely on
Yes.
my parents to guide me, right? So we are
Yes,
mostly
ma'am.
dependent on the parents. Please
Okay,
expand
ma'am.
your ideas. Just have a remarks कि आपको idea extension पे work करना है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
No worries. Next is Salman. Energy level is 11. Can you speak now? Or you will be staying on the mute? सॉरी मैम, बहुत सारी नॉइज आ रही थी आउटसाइड से, इसलिए मैं रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाया. कैन यू स्पीक नाउ? तभी आई एम आस्किंग यू. ओके, हरदीप.
Sure, ma'am.
Hardeep, question for you is, do you like your teachers?
Yeah, I like my teacher very well because they always support me and they always stand with me when I was in school in each and every situation.
That's it. अब जो आपने लास्ट वर्ड एंड करा इन एवरी सिचुएशन, तो आपका इंटोनेशन ऐसे साउंड कर रहा था दैट यू वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग बट इवेंचुअली यू स्टॉप. ऐसा ही है?
Yeah,
आपको लग रहा था कि दैट यू कैन स्पीक वन मोर सेंटेंस बट आपने वहीं पे स्टॉप कर दिया, तो वो इंटोनेशन रॉन्ग साउंड करता है. ठीक है?
yeah.
प्लीज वर्क
Yeah.
ऑन दिस. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, what qualities should a good teacher have?
there are a lot of qualities in which teacher have, like teacher always stand with students and they can help the student for their exams and related to his study.
Mhm. So that means you're talking about that teacher should be helpful. A good
Yes,
teacher
ma'am.
should be knowledgeable, patient,
Yes.
supportive, so that students feel comfortable while learning. They
Yes,
should
ma'am.
always be able to explain the concepts clearly, motivate students also to learn,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Upain. Upain. Does it take a lot of time to unmute? Is it? Renuka.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Renuka, question for you is, do you remember your favorite teacher?
Yes, when I am in a eighth class at that time, my favorite teacher is Miss Karanjit Kaur, who teaches English
Well
very well,
done.
and she is very
Yeah,
informative
I know.
and cooperative.
I really remember my favorite.
Hardeep, please mute, otherwise I'm not able to understand somebody else answering. Yes, Renuka, please. Please speak
Yes,
again.
I remember.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. When when I'm in my childhood stage, and at that time I was in a eighth class, and I still remember my favorite teacher is Mrs. Karanjit Kaur, who teaches English very well. She's very informative and supportive. That's why I like her.
ठीक है और when I am in a childhood नहीं होता, when I was. ठीक है, you're talking about past. So please
Okay, ma'am.
convey this in the past form. Or you can say, yes, I remember my favorite teacher. She was kind and supportive. Who teaches us, nahi, who taught us. She
Okay,
was
okay.
very supportive. Tenses
Okay, ma'am.
wrong ho rahe aapke. Next question for you. Do you like going to parks?
Yes, definitely. I love to go parks because whenever I go there, I feel very calm and relaxed. And because the environment is very good, so sometimes I also do my favorite activity, such as exercise and yoga.
Because का ज्यादा repetition हो रहा है. Do my activities की जगह क्या बोल सकते हो? I can perform my activities. It's a great
Yes.
way to relax, get some fresh air. I can enjoy the nature. I can take a break from hustle and bustle of the city life. They provide a calm environment. Or I find parks incredibly refreshing. Try to upgrade. ठीक है, हम सिर्फ वो बैंड 6 पे ही नहीं अटके रहेंगे कि आई एंजॉय गोइंग टू पार्क बिकॉज दे गिव मी ब्रेक फ्रॉम डेली रूटीन. We will upgrade it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next one, Gaurav. Gaurav. Gaurav, can you speak now? Okay, Salman.
सॉरी मैम, उस साइड नॉइजेस बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा था, इसलिए मैं
Okay, no
रिप्लाई नहीं कर पा रहा
problem.
था.
Question for you is, how often do you go to park?
I am going back in a week, once in a week, because I don't like to do exercise because I am a lazy person.
Because
That's all.
I'm a lazy person. Why you're not
Yes, ma'am.
expanding your ideas? It's a very short answer.
Okay. Then how it's give answer,
How
ma'am?
often do you go to park? I usually go to park
Okay.
on the weekends or once or twice a week, especially in the evening to
Okay.
relax and get some fresh air. Exercise करने नहीं जाना, but evening में when you need some fresh air, तब तो जाते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Talk about it. Ideas तो
Okay.
expand करते हैं ना? What do people do in parks? Next question for you.
What the people do park in, like walking or exercise or sitting lots of time. They relax their mind on park.
The people do
Okay.
in park in like per sentence में ही grammatical error है.
Okay.
So park is for multiple purposes.
मैम
People are
ग्रामर
engaged
एरर बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है.
various activities like jogging, practicing yoga,
Okay.
socializing, spending quality time with friends, family, and they also enjoy a peaceful environment.
Okay. मैम मेरा
Right?
ग्रामेटिकल एरर बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है.
Work on your grammar part ना. जब sentence create करते हो, just look कि कैसे create कर रहे हो.
इसी वजह से मैं बहुत
You
ज्यादा मैम
said
परेशान भी
people
रह
do
रहा हूँ.
in park life. आपका first sentence ये था. The people do in park like. ये आपने बोला है.
यस मैम. वही मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ मैम, मैं
क्वेश्चन में
बहुत
से
ज्यादा
आपको स्टार्ट
ग्रामेटिक.
करने की नीड नहीं है. What do people do in park? In park, people do a variety of activities.
Okay.
आप लोगों का क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट दे ट्राई टू कॉपी द क्वेश्चन और उसके बाद
हाँ
आंसर स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट इज रॉन्ग एक्चुअली. ओके,
ठीक है मैम, आगे से ध्यान रखूंगा.
यस प्लीज, यस प्लीज. मदीहा, गौरव.
Yes, ma'am.
Madiha, question for you. Are
Yes.
parks important?
Yes, parks are very important because we go in the park for enjoyment, for spending a good time, a peaceful time. So I really enjoy when I go into the park.
So basically, you talk about we go in the park by enjoyment, by spending time. I really enjoy going in the park.
Yes.
How you can expand? They provide green spaces in cities where I can relax, exercise, and improve my mental well-being. Instead of just saying कि I really enjoy कैसे करते हो? Talk about
Yes.
it. You have a mental relaxation, mental well-being. Exercise कर सकते हैं because they offer a peaceful environment. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next topic for you is, do you think handwriting is important?
Yes, handwriting is very important because it gives us practice. It makes our hand improve our writing. It's good for our hand movement. And when we write something after writing, and when we learn something after writing, then it's clearly pick our mind. So handwriting is very important.
It also helps in clear communication also. If you're writing clearly, especially if I talk about exams, neat writing makes it easier for others to understand. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Next one. Gaurav is not replying. Upen is not replying. Shah.
Ma'am.
Yes. So Shah, question for you is, how is your handwriting?
My handwriting is pretty average. though I like to enhance my writing skills, sometimes I also love doing calligraphy. But on the other hand, I think the writing skills and handwriting is very deteriorating over as the technological advancement. We often don't get chance to write as much as we used to do
Mhm.
earlier.
Mhm. That's good. That's really good. So I would describe my handwriting as average. You can start with this phrase. It's generally legible, but it lacks neatness. मतलब ठीक है, understandable है, उतनी ज्यादा अच्छी नहीं है. You want to say this, right? Quite average. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Well tried. Next question for you. Do you prefer typing or writing?
I prefer typing over writing when I'm doing my personal work or I'm engaged in an official purpose.
Hmm.
But on the other hand, when I'm engaged in doing my some passion like writing poetry or something, I prefer writing with pen or pencil as it gives me like my personal nuisance that I can change and feels I am something putting on the paper. So it also mediates me.
That's it? Good. Well expanded.
Yes.
Next one, Kushal.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello. So, question for you.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you practice handwriting as a child?
As when I was in child, I usually go to practice in my tutor. It allows me to understand easily and also it communicate to others. I often prepare my handwriting, especially in exam times.
So, Kushal, did you said in the beginning when I was in child?
I was in, yeah, no, ma'am. I
I heard.
usually,
Mhm. I
yes,
heard that you
I,
said when I was in child. Did you said this in?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
So why you need to say when I was in child? When I was a
Actually, I
child.
in, okay, okay.
You cannot say when
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
was
Yeah.
in child, when I was a child, or when I was in my childhood. इन लगाना है तो childhood बोलना पड़ेगा, child यूज करना है तो when I was a child बोलना पड़ेगा,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Yeah,
Or
ma'am.
either you can say during my childhood. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next topic for you is, do you like weekends?
As I usually like weekends, it allows me to spend my quality time with my family members and neighbors. For instance, we usually go on my weekends to travel trips like nearby the hill station and historical background places.
Okay, one thing, write down question. Answer was good. Try to enhance it more, make it more advanced. Absolutely. I look forward to weekends as they provide a much needed break from my busy schedule.
Okay,
Instead of saying I like weekends to spend time with my family or quality time with my family, you can say I look forward to weekend as they provide a much needed break from my busy schedule. So you're actually moving from band 6 to band 8 plus. Right. Now, when I know that I
okay,
can speak for 3 sentences, I'm talking about those students who are expanding their ideas in 3 or more sentences, like Shah is also explaining in 3. From beginning, I can say Muhammad, Shah, till now, yeah, Shah and Kushal. You all are able to expand your answers in more than 3 sentences. Now work on the phrasing part. That how you can extend, you can move to the band 8 plus. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
क्यों मैम
Next.
मैम कुछ
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
मैम इसे और एक्सपेंड करने के लिए क्या आप सजेस्ट करोगे मतलब लास्ट 8 above बैंड के लिए
Now
क्या कर
suppose
सकते हैं?
when you say this, Do you like weekends? Absolutely. I look forward to weekends as they provide me a much needed break from my busy schedule, giving me time to unwind and spend some free time with my loved ones. So you're actually talking in 3 sentences. Done. Just
Yes, ma'am.
add one more sentence to it and your answer. See, if your answer is grammatically correct, you're not making any grammatical error, your sentence structure is good, no errors in that, your pronunciation is good when you're delivering your answer, your fluency is good, coherence is good. Why I have given you all the structures so that your answer should be coherent, structured hona chahiye. So when all these 4 things are there in the answer, nobody can stop you from band 7 plus, or I would say 8 plus.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
please work on these
Okay.
things. Ashu,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashu, question for you. What do you usually do on weekends?
Yes, ma'am. I usually do on the weekends. I go with my friends, go for a movie, and sometimes I spend quality time with my family members because I was quite busy during my weekdays. So it breaks monotonous of my life.
I usually do on the weekends. I go for movies. ऐसे start करने की need क्या है? Why we need to start like this? What do you usually do on weekends? क्या ऐसा एग्जामिनर ने या मैंने आपको बोला है कि आपको आंसर क्वेश्चन में से ही देना है कि I usually do on the weekends like I go for movie?
No, ma'am.
You can
I
simply say
usually
on
I
weekends
usually
I like.
go outside.
हाँ.
On weekends,
Or
I
I
usually go
usually
outside.
spend my weekends relaxing, catching up on things I don't have time during the week, like meeting my friends, watching movies, or going out. You can also use the word here, unwind my quality time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next question for you. Are weekends important?
Yes, ma'am. Weekends are much important in our life because today everyone is busy in their routines. So it breaks the monotonous of their life. So weekends are important to enjoy or to relax themselves.
Okay, great. Next one. Amandeep. Amandeep Kaur.
Um,
Yes, Amandeep. Question for you. What kind of clothes do you like to wear?
to be very honest, I prefer
Please
to wear
speak
the
aloud. Your
comfortable.
voice is not clear.
To be very honest, I comfortable to be very honest, I wear the clothes which are very comfortable for me, and I can do all my activities and the works very comfortably. So I prefer to wear loose clothing and which is mainly made up of cotton stuff.
So you can just combine. क्योंकि ना इसमें कोई न्यू आइडिया नहीं आएगा. I wear the clothes which are comfortable. I can do all the works. आपने works बोला. Loose clothing like cotton. So I like to wear I prefer wearing comfortable and casual clothes, especially cotton outfits, as they are suitable for daily wear. Right? Comfort is my top priority when it comes to choosing the clothing. और या फिर अगर आप इसे और, so you can say I tend to favor comfortable yet stylish clothing. कि मुझे comfortable clothes पसंद है, not stylish one. Okay, Amandeep.
Okay.
Answer was good, not bad. Do you like trying new fashion styles?
To be very honest, it is very difficult for me to change my cloth preference. So I don't like to wear new clothes. I just want a simple outlook.
Mhm. Okay, not really. I usually stick to my comfort zone because trying new fashion style feels a bit difficult. है ना? And sometimes it's like outside my comfort zone. Okay, great. Next, Ruxana.
Yes,
Hmm. How often do you buy clothes?
uh, I go for shopping occasionally, especially on special occasions like Eid days. But sometimes I go for shop clothes at the start of summer and winter because I need comfortable clothes according to the weather.
Hmm. That's good. Well tried. So
Thank you.
whenever you need, like you don't purchase clothes frequently, but you shop during the summer season when you like to refresh your wardrobe with the new outfits. Did you choose your clothes as a child?
Ma'am, it's for me.
Yes, yes. Two questions for you.
Um, no, I'm not really. During my childhood, my mother used to select clothes for all of us, and I didn't for shopping.
Hmm. Yes. As you can say that my mother was more aware of what was appropriate and comfortable for me. So I did not have a choice as a child. My mother was responsible for selecting my clothes. Good. Well tried. Next one. Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Question for you. What is
Hello.
your favorite color?
To be honestly speaking, my favorite color
हर
is
आंसर में टू बी ऑनेस्ट क्यों लगाना आप ऑनेस्टली सब आंसर दोगे why every student want to add this connector to be honest you can simply say I like this color I'm particularly fond of this color my favorite color is this yes please go ahead
okay, ma'am.
hmm.
I like the color is blue and white. White color is pure and no color add there. That's why I like the white color. And secondly, I like a blue color because of it is color for
फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आपने बोला आई लाइक द कलर इज द कलर ब्लू एंड व्हाइट इतना सारा द क्यों इतने आर्टिकल्स क्यों यूज करने हैं My favorite color is blue as it gives me a sense of calmness and a positivity. And I think it looks good on me. Next question. Anam, you won't have a chance again. आपकी turn हो चुकी है. Next question for you. Why do you like this color?
me.
Yes, Sakshi. Why do you like this color?
Ma'am, blue color or white color?
You can talk about any. आपने दोनों
Hello,
कलर्स
ma'am.
बोले आपने दोनों कलर्स
हाँ,
बोले हैं. You can talk about any.
yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Um, I like color white and blue because white is symbol of the purity and blue is symbol of calm and fresh mind. Blue because it is very calm and relaxing. It's remind me for the sky and ocean, which is feel peaceful.
Okay. इतने pauses आ रहे हैं साक्षी. Pauses नहीं आने चाहिए. You're taking a long pause. A person with the name of iPhone. A person with the name of iPhone. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What's your name?
Manpreet, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So question for you is, do colors affect your mood?
Yes, definitely. Colors are always affect my mood because whenever I wear bright color, it always boosts my confidence because bright colors suits on my personality. So whenever I wear it, I receive lot of compliments from my near and dear ones.
Colors are always affect our mood. फर्स्ट लाइन में ग्रामेटिकल एरर है. कलर्स आर ऑलवेज इफेक्ट आर मूड. ऐसे नहीं होता. ठीक है.
Okay.
माई मूड. कलर्स कैन.
Okay.
या फिर आप बोल सकते हो कलर्स डेफिनेटली हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन माई मूड.
Okay.
Colors can influence my mood. For example, bright colors make me feel energetic. Dark colors make me feel dull. Yes, Vishali.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishali, question for you.
Yes.
Do you use emails often?
Yes, I use emails oftenly because it helps me to connect with my colleagues. And in office days, I usually use a professional email address that connect with the teammate of my team.
So you just said oftenly. The
Yes, ma'am.
correct word is
Usually.
we never say oftenly, we said often,
Often.
right? Especially mainly for the formal communication or for the professional purposes. They are the only reliable means of communication. Okay. Next one, who is left now?
Ma'am, can I
Meenakshi.
speak?
Who is this?
Yes, Sana.
Sana?
Yes, ma'am.
Sana, you did not got a chance yet?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
yes, please go. Sana, question for you. What do you use emails for?
Well, I use email for formal purposes, especially for mailing the especially for mails to the offices. Last time I mailed the mail my sorry, ma'am, I try again.
Yes, please. Sure.
I use email for formal purpose. Last time I mailed the mail for my job to the head of the school.
Answer is not expanded and there are pauses also. So I usually use emails for formal communication, like sending assignments or important messages, communicating for work or studies, sharing documents, coordinating tasks. किस लिए करते हैं हम emails? इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करने के लिए, मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करने के लिए, राइट? रुखसाना? रुखसाना, आपकी टर्न नहीं हुई है? रुखसाना?
जी जी, टर्न हो गई है मैम मेरी.
Then why
मैम
you're
मुझे
raising your hand?
नहीं, मैंने रेज नहीं किया, वो लोअर ही नहीं किया.
Yes.
सॉरी. ओ सॉरी.
Yes.
सॉरी.
Do not raise hand once your turn is done. Yes, Suketu.
मैम मेरी टर्न नहीं है इसलिए मैंने किया था.
Yes, please. So that is why I'm asking. Do you prefer emails or messages?
I wear both preference. like a formal way in my regular company-based work is I prefer email and my calling and my friend in like a friends inside we are like a messages.
So I like
That is one.
using both, right?
Yeah.
Messages are convenient for quick communication, while emails are better for formal or detailed information. जब आप दोनों की
Yes,
बात कर रहे हो तो आप दोनों के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करोगे. ओके मोनिका.
Yes, ma'am.
Monica, question for you. Did you use emails in the past?
Yes, I used in my previous job. There was a lot of work on emails. I collecting the information and coordinate with my colleagues.
That's good. Okay. Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Meenakshi, question for you is, do you use public transport?
Yes, I use public transport to go. When I was in college, I used the public transport like bus, and I whenever I go out, I use it actually.
So you said I use public transport to go to, then full stop. Then when I was in school or college, you mentioned something. Then whenever you're going out, है ना?
Yes.
Please expand your ideas. Do you use public transport? Yes, I regularly use public transport like buses or the metros as it's convenient and affordable. During my childhood also, I used to go school with the public transport. Answer finish. Okay?
Okay.
Hina?
Yes, ma'am.
Hina, question for you. What type of transport do you use?
I have my own vehicle, but mostly I use a public transport because it is very convenient and affordable for me.
थोड़ा सा rush हो गया है. Calmly. And one more statement can you add?
Can I repeat again?
Yes, please.
Basically, I have my own vehicle and I use my vehicle for a market. But when I go to for another city or another place, I use a public transport like bus or metro because it is very easy and convenient and affordable for me.
You can say I prefer using my own vehicle for a daily commuting due to convenience, right? But occasionally
ma'am.
I use public transport when it's more practical or it's cost effective.
Yes, ma'am.
Tina, Meenakshi, please lower down your hand now. Let me just check who is left out. Menuka. Who is left? Usha. Yes, Usha. Is public transport good in your city?
Definitely, yes. Public transport is very good in my city because the services are very frequent and individuals are not face any kind of difficulties while traveling.
And individuals are not faced.
Are not facing.
हाँ देखा ग्रामेटिकल एरर. यही एरर्स आपके बैंक स्कोर को लोअर डाउन करते हैं. प्लीज.
Ma'am, can we use mass transit instead of public transport as a synonym?
देखो मैं एक चीज आप लोगों को बताना चाहूंगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कोई अलग सा फैंसी वर्ड लगाओगे तब आपको, जब आपकी स्पीकिंग में ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स इतने हैं, आप आइडिया एक्सपैंड नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं एक दो फैंसी वर्ड लगा दूं और मेरा बैंड स्कोर बढ़ेगा, तो कभी भी नहीं बढ़ेगा. वो अननेचुरल वर्ड्स लगते हैं. ठीक है. सो प्लीज पहले हम फोकस करेंगे कि हमारे आइडियाज एक्सपैंडेड हो, ग्रामेटिकल एरर ना हो, हमारा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर करेक्ट हो. तब हम सोचेंगे कि हम कोई और वर्ड वहां पर यूज करें. फर्स्ट क्या होना चाहिए हमेशा? expansion of ideas. Fluency maintains, coherence maintains. And mass transit जो आप word बोल रहे हो, it's a more formal word, जो बहुत ही large scale पे use होता है. Public transport is a very general word जो हम everyday use करते हैं. Like if we are talking about buses, metro, trains, auto, these are all public. But अगर मैं mass transit की बात करूं, we are actually talking about metros, rails, buses का पूरा network which carry a lot of people. पार्ट 1 में अगर आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करोगे इट्स नेचुरल. पार्ट 3 जहां पे आपको मोर एडवांस लेवल में जाना है तब आप फिर भी यूज कर सकते हो मास ट्रांजिट सिस्टम्स के बारे में. ठीक है?
Okay.
क्योंकि पार्ट 3 का लेवल इज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द पार्ट 1.
Yes.
ओके.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस प्लीज.
मैम मैं मोहम्मद से बात करना चाह रही थी क्योंकि मैं उसको बाय करना चाह रही हूँ मेंबरशिप को, तो हो नहीं रहा. मुझसे कांटेक्ट नंबर मिल सकता है उसका?
हाँ प्लीज यू कैन जस्ट टेक्स्ट हिम हियर, पर्सनल चैट पे उसे मैसेज करो एंड जस्ट हैव इट. ओके?
पर्सनल चैट.
इज मोहम्मद प्रेजेंट और ही लेफ्ट? I guess he left the session. He's not here.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So tomorrow you can have a word with him. He's not present.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not present. Maybe he has done with his notice. That's why he left. Okay. One thing I want to tell you all, what I observed in some of the student is कि expansion of ideas थोड़ा कम हो रहा है. प्लीज स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करो तभी यू कैन स्पीक फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 सेंटेंसेस. नहीं तो आपके आइडियाज अंडर डेवलप्ड रह जाएंगे, एक्सपैंड नहीं होंगे. आपको इस चीज पे फोकस करना है दैट यू हैव टू स्पीक फॉर 3 सेंटेंसेस. Hina, I have already given you a feedback. Right away, I was giving a feedback. I already gave you a feedback. I know that some students are left. Don't worry. Tomorrow again we will start with part 2 and I'll be taking only those students first who did not got a chance today. Okay? That's why I always say please raise your hand so that you can speak. If you're
Okay,
going to stay
ma'am.
on mute, I cannot help you out. There are lots of students who just stay on mute and don't want to participate. Hesitation nahi jayega. Band scores improve nahi honge. When you speak, only then you can say that yes, I am more confident now. So speaking तो आपको करनी है, stop नहीं होना. Just
Okay,
speak.
ma'am.
सेल्फ करेक्शन, रेपिटेशंस ये नहीं आने चाहिए. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन,
मैम एक
जैसे ही
क्वेश्चन
आपका
था.
क्वेश्चन आता है यू नीड टू इंस्टेंटली आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन. कोई एक्स्ट्रा थिंकिंग टाइम आपको नहीं मिलेगा कि आपको 10-20 सेकंड दे दे एंड देन यू हैव अ टाइम और अब आपको आंसर देना है. नो, ट्रेनर्स एनर्जी विल बी दैट यू नीड टू फास्ट. IELTS doesn't wait for you. So just don't give the one word answer. Do not ever memorize. कोई भी answers को learn नहीं करना. Do not translate in Hindi. You have to maintain the natural flow. Just smile and have a eye contact with the examiner. Confidence level higher up. Okay. Now I want an honest feedback from you all. What did you learn today? Yes.
So many things now.
Yes, Shah?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो क्लियर हुई है.
Yes.
जैसे
And
एक्सपेंड और
where,
कैसे करें.
Yes,
where
ma'am.
did you find that you are struggling? I hope you all got your feedbacks today. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this one-on-one feedback is really necessary. Yes, Kushal.
Instead of using the normal words, if you use the advanced word for formal, it
Yes.
enhance our band score or
Exactly. देखो,
even the fluency.
आज we are on the day 5. Day 1 पे what I taught you that you need to speak for at least 3 sentences. So gradually now you have to improve more. When you know that you are able to speak 3 sentences, you are expanding your ideas, work on the fluency. वर्क ऑन द प्रोनाउंसिएशन पार्ट, वर्क ऑन द वोकैब पार्ट, ग्रामर को इम्प्रूव करो, सेंटेंस को इम्प्रूव करो, वोकैब को अपग्रेड करो, बिकॉज अब 6 से 7 एंड 7 से 8 पर जाना है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
डे 1 पे जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल था एंड डे 5, डोंट यू थिंक इट इज अपग्रेडेड नाउ?
Yes, ma'am. It's
No, ma'am. In first class, I am always hesitate to
Yes,
talk.
exactly. So that's why we are having these classes कि day 1 पे जो hesitation है, day 5 पे you're more confident now. Yes, Shah, please tell me.
मैम एक्चुअली जैसे मेरा फीडबैक,
Yes,
मैम आई ऑडिबल?
yes, you're
मैम
audible
जैसे
now.
मैंने लास्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर किया था, उसमें मुझे फील हुआ इंटोनेशन का कि मैंने जैसे एंडिंग की वहां पे मैंने स्ट्रगल किया.
देखो, intonation is something like, suppose if I say, do you feel more confident than before? So I just stop. That means I want to say something, but my intonation is going wrong. And pitch जब आपकी flat जाती है, what did you learn today? What did you learn today? So when you pronounce, ये चीजें बहुत मैटर करती है. 6 और 6.5 लाना तो आ जाएगा. इफ यू आर गिविंग 3 लाइन आंसर, ग्रामर भी ठीक है, सेंटेंस भी ठीक चल रहे हैं, 6 और 6.5 आ जाएगा. बट अगर 7 से ऊपर टारगेट करना है, प्लीज वर्क ऑन दीज पार्ट. अभी तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं विच यू गोना लर्न इन स्पीकिंग. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ पार्ट 1 करा है. वेट फॉर द फ्यू डेज, जब हम पार्ट 2 करेंगे, पार्ट 3 करेंगे. पार्ट 3 के बाद मैं आपको कॉलोकेशंस कराऊंगी, फ्रेजेस कराऊंगी, ईडीएम्स कराऊंगी. देन यू विल सी अ चेंज इन योर स्पीकिंग, कि हाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग नाउ फ्रॉम डे 1 to day 19. I believe again 18 to 19 sessions will be conducted for the speaking module. It will be very vast again. Okay? But
तो मैम
please,
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
yes, फ्लुएंसी एक दिन में नहीं आती, बट डेली प्रैक्टिस करने से गारंटेड आती है. ठीक है? सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत जरूरी है. एवरी डे बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन से प्रैक्टिस करो, सिर्फ और सिर्फ पार्ट 1 को. आई एम नॉट सेइंग पार्ट 2, आई एम नॉट सेइंग पार्ट 3. बिल्कुल मत करो. सिर्फ पार्ट 1 को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ, आंसर करो खुद को, स्पीक फॉर 30 सेकेंड्स, सुनो उसे और इंप्रूव करो. मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ सेल्फ इवैल्यूएटिंग. जब कोई और भी आंसर दे रहा होता है, उसके आंसर को सुनो, इवैल्यूएट करो. आई विल अप्लाई दिस इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन ऑल्सो. लास्ट कोर्स में भी मैंने ऐसे ही करा था कि आई कैन आस्क एनीबडी कि किसने क्या आंसर दिया एंड व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स इन दिस आंसर. Only then you will be knowing about the grammatical errors also, कि इसने क्या सेंटेंस गलत बोला, कौन से grammatical error है, इसे हम कैसे अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं. So all these will work in the cue card. Tomorrow onwards we will be practicing for the cue card. So जब हम cue card की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, on a side you will be practicing for part 1 also. Clear? Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am.
I have one doubt.
Yes, please.
मैम मैं राइटिंग और रीडिंग को कैसे इम्प्रूव, मेरे को हो ही
राइटिंग
नहीं
और
पाते.
रीडिंग को कैसे इंप्रूव करूं? देखो, रीडिंग को करने के लिए सबसे पहले आपको टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आने चाहिए. इफ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग विद टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस की स्किल, कि मेरे को ट्रू फॉल्स कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं, मैचिंग हेडिंग में मुझे कौन सी टेक्निक्स अप्लाई करनी है, ओनली देन यू कैन हैव योर कंप्लीट रीडिंग का मॉक टेस्ट. अगर आप सोचो कि आज मैं रीडिंग का मॉक टेस्ट उठाऊं, 40 क्वेश्चन करूं, मेरे को तो आंसर सिर्फ 20 के ही करेक्ट आ रहे हैं, कैसे करूं? ऐसे नहीं होता. वी एक्चुअली गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप. अगर मैं भी आपको डे 1 में स्पीकिंग के सारे मॉड्यूल्स करा दूं और अब बोलूं कि बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहो एप्लीकेशन पे, विल इट वर्क्स? नो, आई डोंट थिंक इट विल वर्क फॉर एनीवन. जब तक हम इन प्रैक्टिस नहीं लाएंगे, तब तक स्कोर्स नहीं इंप्रूव होंगे. तो प्लीज रीडिंग के लिए पहले आप टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस करो, ट्रू फॉल्स की प्रैक्टिसेस करो, समरी की प्रैक्टिस करो, मैचिंग हेडिंग करो, कॉम्प्लेशन टाइप करो. पहले टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो, फिर सेक्शन 1 करो, सेक्शन 2, सेक्शन 3.
मैम अपने अपने स्पीकिंग का ऐसा चल रहा है 19 डेज का, ऐसे रीडिंग और राइटिंग का भी होने वाला है
सॉरी,
improve? ये स्पीकिंग का अपने क्लास है 19 डेज के, ऐसे रीडिंग और राइटिंग के है?
ऑब्वियसली आप उसमें जाके चेक करो, ऑलरेडी आई गेस 24 क्लासेस लास्ट कोर्स में हुई थी राइटिंग की।
ठीक है, मैं
सो
चेक इट
इट
आउट।
विल बी इन डिटेल। अगर आपका एग्जाम अभी नियर बाय नहीं है, सपोज यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर जून और जुलाई, तो डेफिनेटली आप राइटिंग की सारी क्लासेस अटेंड कर पाओगे।
ठीक है मैम,
मैम
आई
I
एम
थैंक यू।
have
टेलिंग
a
यू
doubt
ऑल,
about
ये कोर्स आराम से 2 मंथ्स चलेगा, उससे ज्यादा भी चल सकता है। ओके,
Okay.
यस
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस प्लीज।
okay
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I want to discuss something.
हम्म
Actually, I attempted twice before and I got 6 in speaking. My
हम्म
requirement is 7,
हम्म
but I am also not good at other modules like reading, writing.
हम्म
Uh, uh, can how long
When are you
it
planning
will
for
get?
exam? Did you schedule your exam?
No, I didn't. I didn't. I
So when
just
are you
wanna
planning for?
prepare myself. I just want to prepare myself before because I don't want to lose any more money.
So Ruxana, that is why I'm saying, what is the tentative date for your exam?
Ma'am, I didn't book.
So I'm asking, which month are you planning for? May, June, July? Which month?
Maybe July.
That's good. So तब तक तो we will complete our course. Stay tuned for all of the classes. Be regular in all the classes. वो होता है ना, ज्ञान बट रहा है उसे लो. So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
what you need to do. Stay in the class, listen to everyone if you really want to score at the very first attempt. I never suggest my students to book the exam. अगर कोर्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, एग्जाम बुक करोगे, स्कोर नहीं आएगा, इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड इट एक्चुअली डीमोटिवेट्स यू।
Yes, ma'am.
स्कोर ना आने के बाद दोबारा से प्रैक्टिस करना, इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट। फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में जो स्कोर आता है ना, उसकी हैप्पीनेस ही एक अलग होती है, राइट? सो प्लीज
Yes, ma'am.
गो विद दिस कि एक ही बार में स्कोर लाना है एंड 7 एंड अबव लाना है, 6 और 6.5 नहीं लाना। वो हर एकेडमिक स्टूडेंट 1-2 महीना पढ़ाई करके अगर उसकी स्किल्स थोड़ी ठीक है वो ले आता है। 7 लाना ईच मॉड्यूल में, नॉट दैट इजी। जिसके लिए अब हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, दीज आर ऑल 7 एंड अबव, राइट? सो
Right.
प्लीज प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे। किसी का भी एग्जाम, इन केस अगर किसी का एग्जाम नियर बाय है, आप लोग अगर प्लान कर रहे हो मई में, आप वीजा सर्विसेज के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो। यू कैन ड्रॉप योर क्वेरीज, दे विल हेल्प यू विद द ऑप्शंस आल्सो कि कहाँ पर आपको क्या अप्लाई करना है, एग्जाम्स के लिए क्या करना है। दे विल गिव यू अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ठीक है? न्यू
ठीक।
स्टूडेंट्स और आई वुड से एवरी स्टूडेंट, आपको अभी तक अगर आप एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करो, यू विल सी कि पूरे मई तक की क्लासेस ऑलरेडी स्केड्यूल है। आई एवरीडे चेक द स्केड्यूल, पूरे मंथ की क्लासेस मैंने स्केड्यूल कर रखी है वहां पे। क्लिक ऑन द रिमाइंड मी बटन फॉर नेक्स्ट क्लासेस, सो दैट जब भी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा और आप क्लास ज्वाइन करने से कभी भूलोगे नहीं। एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, जिनको भी आइल्स करना है, क्लासेस चाहिए, उनको भी बताओ इसके बारे में, सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द क्लास। ओके,
Okay.
Okay ma'am.
गुड।
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस साक्षी।
Ma'am, I have questions. How to improve a sentence structure? No grammatical mistake. What do you daily basis practice?
ग्रामर एरर्स देखो, ग्रामर एरर्स के लिए क्या कर सकते हो मुझे बताओ। ग्रामर को
Grammar.
इम्प्रूव करो। जब भी सेंटेंस फॉर्म करते हो, चेक करो दैट हाउ यू आर फ्रेमिंग योर सेंटेंसेस। ओके, ग्रामर, कुछ ग्रामर सेशंस ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड भी हैं, नहीं तो आप ना राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में जाओ, वहां पे मैंने आपको ग्रामर करा रखी है, सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइस, तो आप राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में भी देख सकते हो। अभी स्पीकिंग के बाद जब राइटिंग मॉड्यूल होगा तो अगेन ग्रामर इन डिटेल वहां पर होने वाली है। ओके,
And ma'am, sentence structure में just
सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर एटलीस्ट, अब आपने क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करी है, राइट?
मैम एक्चुअली
बिगनिंग की क्लासेस आपने अटेंड नहीं करी है?
नहीं, लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं किए मैम, बट मैंने वीडियोस देखी है। बट जब प्रैक्टिस करने जाती हूँ तो मतलब ग्रामर, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर एंड ग्रामर थोड़ा सा वीक हो
हाँ, तो तभी आई एम
जाता है।
सेइंग ना, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर और ग्रामर पे वर्क करो। इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग कि अगर एक भी क्लास मिस होती है आपकी, यू विल लूज अ लॉट। बीच में से कोर्स ज्वाइन करोगे ठीक है, बट आई कैन नॉट रिपीट द सेशन। अब जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने डे 1 से ज्वाइन किया, जस्ट सी द चेंजेस इन दैट टू डे 5. They have improved a lot. Even I can observe while giving the answers कि day 1 वो क्या answers देते हैं, day 2 क्या देते हैं. After the session, when I upload this session on the YouTube, even on the application, I see कि day 1 पे किसने क्या आंसर दिया था, day 2 पे क्या दिया, and what on the day 5. Okay? So live
Yes,
मैम जो रीडिंग
classes.
और
Yes, Sakshi?
मैम जो रीडिंग और राइटिंग की क्लासेस होगी वो स्पीकिंग के बाद होगी?
Yes, definitely. Speaking के बाद writing module होगा, writing module के बाद reading, and then last में listening. Okay?
yes मैम।
सो प्लीज डू नॉट मिस आउट एनी क्लास। तभी मैं कह रही हूँ कि ज्वाइन नाउ पे क्लिक करके, रिमाइंड मी पे क्लिक करके रखो, सो दैट आपको सारी क्लासेस के बारे में पता चलता रहे।
यस
ओके?
मैम। मिस वो नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आए तो मिस हो गई मैम पहले की क्लासेस।
नोटिफिकेशन आएगा आपके कैलेंडर में ही, फिक्स हो जाता है वो, जब आप रिमाइंड में, और यू नो कि मंडे टू फ्राइडे आप एप्लीकेशन ओपन करके रखो, आपको पता है मंडे टू फ्राइडे 9 o'clock क्लास होगी। इररिस्पेक्टिव कोई हॉलीडे आ जाए तो इट्स अ डिफरेंट केस, अदरवाइज मंडे टू फ्राइडे यू हैव अ क्लास एट 9 AM confirmed. Okay?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
So do not miss out any class, because next class में हम band 8 level वाले answers करने वाले हैं for the Q card. So see you all in the next session. Keep speaking and keep practicing. Okay? Bye bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you मैम।